Today we're at the headquarters of Canon and we're participating in a Moonshot Workshop, and we are learning about the different fields of aerospace and the different opportunities that we might have in the future.
Right now we are at the Canon headquarters in Brampton, and it is an opportunity that has been organized by Inspire Tech Canada, offering an opportunity for students to engage with various industry partners in the space realm.
Moonshot is set up to be a career and exploration event, so students understand career pathways in space, rocketry, rover, and satellites, and this gives them the opportunity to use STEM and their science, technology, engineering, and math background to be a launch pad to consider career paths.
The opportunity was presented through the SHSM program. With the YRDSB, we have 14 different sectors that are currently available for students to enroll in. In terms of SHSM, the opportunity is presented as a sectored partner experience. It's one of the qualifications that students need to participate in order to earn their red seal for their diplomas.
Behind me, students are working through a business development program where they are being guided through what an investment pitch would be with a development of a technology or solution, which is part of our SHSM program as a SPE or a sectored partnered experience.
We're in these teams and we're creating these business ideas, thinking about investing and how do we control company shares, thinking about profit, thinking about losses. This requires a level of thinking that goes beyond like just a classroom space, right? So here we're talking about real world applications.
This is an opportunity for students, specifically SHSM students, to get out and connect with industry partners, as well as learn lots around aerospace engineering and how that industry is really changing opportunities for students in the future.
It was really interesting coming here because I learned a lot about space and how it works, and I got a lot of information that I never knew or I never thought of.
I also teach tech design, so this is an opportunity for us to really get in and see how tech design integrates with aerospace engineering and how manufacturing and fabrication is all a part of that process. So
the vendors was probably my most favorite part because I got to learn a lot about like university, different programs that I can take. Today was a really good insight, especially this part here, like just being able to talk with other people.
Nordspace is talking about all of the new projects we're working on. We want people to understand that, rockets are just more than a vehicle. They have a purpose. We have multiple space systems that we're working on. We want young people today to see themselves in these roles, see themselves as innovators, entrepreneurs, and even their own space company owners.
Actually seeing and people who work in this industry and what they do in their daily job, it was really fun and interesting. Well, my goal is to become an aerospace engineer eventually. I'm so excited to start this journey of my own, but also to meet people who are the same passion as I.
Part of the SHSM program is for students to do career exploration and to get some more enrichment opportunities.
Students that are going to be joining the workforce as highly qualified people are going to need to know about this emerging tech sector. Space is a significant priority for Canada, and we'll be focused on building homegrown technology with events just like this.
I'm really grateful to be here today, and I think that this type of workshops and opportunities should be more around students.
Really, the overarching goal of Pathways is to ensure that students all have opportunities, whether it's entrepreneurship, whether it is STEM, wherever that may be, there is an option and there's an opportunity for students to learn more and engage with that outside of the school classroom.